Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Freshware Meal Prep Containers is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to streamline their meal preparation and maintain a healthy lifestyle, offering a durable and convenient solution for storing, transporting, and reheating your delicious homemade meals with ease, ensuring that your food stays fresh and organized throughout the week, making it a game changer for busy individuals and families alike. Number 5. Freshware 25-pack 3-compartment meal prep containers. Enjoy a full meal with everything in one container. With 3 compartments, you can pack your main course, salad, and dessert. It's the hassle-free way to enjoy your food anywhere. Stay on track with your health goals using these portion-controlled containers. They are perfect for meal prepping, weight loss plans, or even packing lunches for school. Tired of containers that crack or melt? Ours are built tough and reusable, designed to withstand frequent use unlike many others. These are safe for your microwave, dishwasher, and freezer. Made from high-quality food-safe materials, you can use them without worry. Perfect for to-go meals from your business, these stackable containers make transportation easy. They stack neatly, ensuring a mess-free experience for you and your customers. What we like? This set offers a complete meal in one box with 3 compartments. If you are looking for portion control and the ability to pack a main course, side, and dessert, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want a hassle-free, balanced meal on the go. What people say. These disposable food containers are very convenient and sturdy. They don't leak, hold food well, and are perfect for taking meals on the go. The lids snap on securely, and the quality is much better than I expected. Great for leftovers with 3 spaces for food. Very durable with a lid that stays securely on. The containers are thinner than your normal Tupperware containers, which is helpful for fitting them in lunch bags and storing multiple containers in your fridge without taking up too much room. There are 3 compartments, 2 smaller ones and 1 large one. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe, which definitely comes in handy. Number 4. Freshware 15-count meal prep containers. Stop wasting money on takeout and save precious time with these convenient meal prep containers. Each one holds 28 ounces, perfect for portion-controlled meals that keep you full and healthy. Achieve your health goals by easily sticking to your meal prep plan. These versatile containers are perfect for healthy lunches at work, school, or even enjoying leftovers from last night's dinner. Tired of meal prep containers that crack or melt? Ours are built to last, offering superior durability and reusability compared to other brands. Enjoy a long-lasting solution for your food storage needs. These containers are made from high-quality, food-safe materials. They can safely handle temperatures from -40°C to 120°C, making them microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe without any worries about harmful chemicals. Maximize your storage space with these stackable containers. Their smart design makes them easy to store when not in use, and they are simple to clean up after meals. Your health is our priority. These containers are completely BPA-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your food, so you can enjoy your meals with peace of mind. What we like? This option provides a generous single compartment for a substantial meal. If you prefer a simpler container for a single dish or leftovers, and value BPA-free materials, this is a great pick. It's suitable for anyone who needs a reliable container for everyday lunches or dinners. What people say. They are sturdy and lid snaps on snugly. Good for storing leftovers and freezing meals. They have lasted with no trouble so far through about 5 dishwasher cycles. It's very important to me that they are BPA-free and that they are safe to freeze and microwave. The seal is airtight, which is very important, especially when I put them in the freezer. Number 3. Freshware 36 at 16-ounce food storage containers. Tired of messy lunches? These containers feature airtight, leak-proof lids, perfect for keeping both liquids and solids secure. Enjoy your meals on the go without any spills. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, food-grade materials, these containers ensure safe food storage. They are durable and built to last through daily use. From hearty soups and salads to desserts and snacks, these containers are ideal for all your favorite foods. Store leftovers or prepare your meals in advance with ease. Take control of your meal portions and support your health goals. These containers are perfect for meal prepping and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This set includes 36 generous 16-ounce containers. They are designed to be stackable for easy storage and are safe for microwave, dishwasher, and freezer use. Cleanup is a breeze. These containers are dishwasher safe, making your meal prep and storage routine completely hassle-free. What we like. These containers boast leak-proof lids, making them excellent for both liquids and solids. If you often transport soups, sauces, or dressings and worry about spills, you should consider this set. It's perfect for packing lunches, snacks, or small portions of meals without any mess. What people say. The containers are sturdy and leak-resistant, and the lids snap on securely, so I don't have to worry about spills in the fridge or freezer. I also like that they stack easily, which saves space and keeps everything organized. The 16-ounce size is perfect for individual serving portions of salsa, queso, guac, and dips. The lids snap on securely and stay perfectly sealed, even during transport and handling. I've never had one spill or pop open, which is huge when you're dealing with liquid or chunky dips. They're also microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, which saves me so much time on the business side and at home. Plus, they stack neatly so I can prep in bulk without taking up half my fridge or freezer. Number 2. Freshware 50 Set 8-ounce Plastic Deli Containers. Never worry about spills again. These containers feature airtight and leak-proof lids, perfect for keeping both liquids and solids secure. Enjoy your meals on the go without any mess. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, food-grade materials, these containers ensure safe food storage. They are non-toxic, durable, and built to last through daily use. From hearty soups and salads to desserts and snacks, these containers are ideal for all your food storage needs. Prepare meals ahead of time or store leftovers with ease. Take control of your meal portions and support your health goals. These containers are perfect for meal prepping and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This set includes 50 reusable containers, each 8 ounces. They are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making meal prep and cleanup incredibly convenient. What we like. With leak-proof lids and a smaller 8-ounce capacity, these are ideal for snacks or smaller portions. If you need to pack dressings, dips, or small snacks for your lunch, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for kids' lunches or for anyone who likes to pack a variety of small items. What people say. They stack really well, so storing a bunch of them doesn't take up much space. The seals are tight, so there's no leaking or spilling, even with liquids. They are thick and sturdy enough to withstand the freezer and easy to clean or inexpensive enough to recycle. Number 1. 32 ounces 2-compartment meal prep containers with lids, 50 pack. Introducing our 32 ounces, 2-compartment meal prep containers. They are designed to make your meal preparation simple and convenient, keeping your food fresh and separated. Our containers feature leak-proof and airtight lids, ensuring your meals stay securely contained. Enjoy peace of mind whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. These containers are perfect for packing lunches, leftovers, or takeout. They are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, offering ultimate flexibility for your busy lifestyle. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade PP plastics, they are BPA-free and temperature-resistant. Their durable design minimizes cracking and ensures long-lasting use. With a stackable and lightweight design, storage is a breeze. Each container measures 8.4 inches by 6 inches by 1.77 inches, providing ample space for your meals. These containers are not only reusable and recyclable but also made with your health and the environment in mind. Make a sustainable choice for your food storage needs. What we like. This set features sturdy, leak-proof containers with 2 compartments, perfect for separating main courses and sides. If you like to keep your food items distinct but still want portion control, this is the ideal solution. It's great for work lunches, travel, or restaurant takeout where food separation is desired. What people say. Large enough to put my husband's chicken, potatoes, and 2 veggies in for when he goes to work. We use them to meal prep on Sundays for the entire week. Dishwasher safe and reusable also. Durable and long-lasting if you want them to be. Great, sturdy containers. I meal prep for about 5 days at a time, and each container holds a good amount of food. I usually microwave them for about 2.5 minutes with no issues. The lids stay closed in my lunchbox as I take them to work. Each container holds 32 ounces across 2 compartments, ideal for keeping mains and sides separate without mixing. They're the perfect size for lunch or dinner portions. These containers have handled everything I've thrown at them. I freeze meals in them, reheat straight in the microwave, just remove the lid first, and toss them in the dishwasher afterward. They don't warp or crack, and the lid still fits snugly after repeated use. The double-thickness lids seal tightly, no leaks even with sauces or juicy foods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.